How to win business grants in Nigeria for 2025. To win a business grant in Nigeria in 2025, you'll need to identify available grants, understand the application process, and prepare a compelling application. In this video, we will outline some of the top business grants available in Nigeria for 2025, the general process for applying, and complete details to help you succeed. Here are some prominent grants you can explore. 1. Tony Elumelu Entrepreneurship Programme, TEP. Amount, $5,000 in seed funding. Eligibility: African entrepreneurs with registered businesses or startups less than 3 years old, open to all industries. Benefits: funding, business training, mentorship, and networking opportunities. Application: online via the Tony Elumelu Foundation website. 2. African Development Bank, AFDB, grants. Amount varies, often targeting agriculture, climate adaptation, and digital innovation. Eligibility: SMEs in specified sectors like agriculture or climate-focused businesses. Benefits: supports sustainable and innovative projects. Application: check the AFDB website for specific opportunities. 3. MasterCard Foundation Africa Growth Fund. Amount: $500,000 to $2,500,000. Eligibility: registered businesses in sub-Saharan Africa, including Nigeria, focused on scaling and sustainability. Benefits: large-scale funding and industry connections. Application: apply through the MasterCard Foundation website during open calls. 4. Bank of Industry BOI, YES program. Amount varies, includes loans, training, and grants for standout projects. Eligibility: Nigerian youth aged 18 to 35 with registered businesses in tech, agriculture, or manufacturing. Benefits: funding, mentorship, and low-interest loans. Application: submit via the Bank of Industry website. 5. MTN Yellowpreneur Initiative. Amount varies. Eligibility: female entrepreneurs with registered businesses in Nigeria. Benefits: funding, training, and access to MTN's network. Application: visit the MTN Yellowpreneur page for updates. 6. Google Black Founders Fund. Amount: equity-free funding. Amount varies. Eligibility: Black-founded startups in Africa with innovative, scalable ideas. Benefits: mentorship and Google resources. Application: apply via the Google for Startups website. The process of applying for business grants. While each grant has unique requirements, the general process follows these steps. 1. Research and eligibility check. Identify grants that match your business type, industry, and goals. Confirm eligibility, e.g., business age, sector, or demographic criteria. 2. Prepare your application. Business plan. Create a detailed plan with your business idea, market analysis, financial projections, and how you'll use the grant. Financial documents. Include profit/loss statements, balance sheets, or cash flow forecasts. Other materials. Gather business registration, tax clearance, IDs, or additional documents as required. 3. Submit your application. Most grants use online portals. Follow instructions precisely and meet deadlines. Some may require a pitch or interview as part of the process. 4. Review and selection. Grant providers evaluate applications, which may take weeks or months. If shortlisted, you might need to provide more details or attend an interview. 5. Award and funding. Winners are notified and funds are disbursed per the grant's terms. Some grants require progress reports or milestone achievements. Complete details and tips for success. Winning a grant is competitive, but these strategies can boost your chances. Tailor your application. Align your business plan with the grant's objectives, e.g., job creation, innovation, or sustainability. Show impact. Highlight how your business benefits the economy, community, or environment. Be professional. Submit complete, error-free applications on time. Seek support. Use resources like Small Business Development Centers, SBDCs, or hire a grant writer for polish. Network. Connect with mentors or past winners for insights. Resources to explore. SBDCs offer free assistance with applications. Online tools. Websites like grants.gov or Funds for NGOs list opportunities. Alternatives. Consider loans, equity financing, or accelerators if grants don't work out. Key notes. Application windows vary. Check each grant's website regularly. Requirements differ, so read guidelines carefully. Persistence pays off. apply to multiple grants to increase your odds. By researching these grants, following the application process diligently, and presenting a strong case, you can position yourself to win a business grant in Nigeria in 2025. Start early, prepare thoroughly, and leverage available support to maximize your success. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more business tips. See you in the next video.